Ever wondered how some crypto investors seem to be earning passive income without actively trading? Face with monocle, what if I told you that you could potentially grow your crypto holdings simply by holding them? That's right, we're talking about staking, a powerful mechanism in the world of cryptocurrency that allows you to earn rewards for supporting the operations of a blockchain network. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular platforms for this, Kraken. Kraken is a well-established and highly regarded cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust security features and wide array of supported assets. For many crypto enthusiasts, it's a go-to platform not just for buying and selling, but also for generating passive income through staking. But with so many cryptocurrencies out there, the big question is, which coins can you stake on Kraken to start earning rewards? In this video, we'll break down Kraken's staking offerings, highlight the top coins you can stake, discuss the potential rewards, and walk you through everything you need to know to get started. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Kraken for your staking journey and potentially boost your crypto portfolio. So, let's jump right in. Understanding staking on Kraken, the basics light bulb. Before we get to the specific coins, let's quickly recap what staking entails and how it works on Kraken. Staking is fundamentally linked to proof of stake, POS, blockchain networks. Unlike proof of work, POW, networks like Bitcoin, which rely on energy-intensive mining, POS networks achieve consensus and validate transactions by having participants stake or lock up their cryptocurrency. By doing so, stackers act as validators, securing the network, and in return, they earn new tokens as rewards. Kraken simplifies this process significantly. Instead of you needing to run your own validator node, which can be technically complex and require a substantial amount of crypto, Kraken acts as a staking service provider. You simply deposit your eligible POS coins into your Kraken account, opt into their staking program, and Kraken handles all the technical heavy lifting. They pool your assets with those of other users, run the validator nodes, and then distribute the earned rewards proportionally to each participant, minus a small commission for their services. One of the major benefits of staking on Kraken is its flexibility. Many of the assets offer both flexible and bonded staking options. Flexible staking, this option allows you to unstake your assets almost instantly. You can trade, withdraw, or use them as collateral anytime. The trade-off is often slightly lower reward rates. Bonded staking, this involves locking up your crypto for a specific period, known as a bonding period. While your assets are locked, you typically earn higher reward rates. However, you won't be able to access those funds until the bonding period is over. Kraken pays out staking rewards twice a week, and your earnings automatically accrue in your account, which is a nice perk for consistent passive income. The top coins you can stake on Kraken and their potential rewards money bag. Kraken supports a diverse range of cryptocurrencies for staking, each with its own estimated yearly reward rates. It's important to remember that these rates are estimates and can fluctuate based on network conditions, market demand, and Kraken's commission. Here are some of the most popular and prominent coins you can stake on Kraken as of July 2025. Ethereum, ETH, Rocket. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, transitioned to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism with its merge upgrade. Staking ETH on Kraken allows you to participate in securing this massive network. Estimated yearly rewards typically ranges from 2.25% to 6.5% for bonded staking, 14-day bonding period, and around 1 to 3% for flexible staking. Special feature: Kraken also offers ETH restaking using the Eigenlayer protocol, which can potentially earn you extra rewards in ETH, Eigen, or other ERC20 tokens. This is an advanced option for those looking to maximize their ETH yields. Cardano, ADA, Herb. Cardano is a highly regarded blockchain platform known for its academic rigor and peer-reviewed research. Staking ADA is a popular choice for many. Estimated yearly rewards, you can expect around 2 to 6% for flexible staking. Cardano staking on Kraken is quite straightforward. Solana, SOL, High voltage. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform favored for its speed and low transaction costs. Staking SOL is a way to support its rapid growth. Estimated yearly rewards. Kraken offers 7 to 12% for bonded staking, 3-day bonding period, and 3 to 6% for flexible staking. The short bonding period for a higher yield makes SOL an attractive option for some. Polkadot, DOT, Black Circle. Polkadot aims to enable cross-blockchain transfers of any data or asset, not just tokens. Staking DOT helps secure its multi-chain network. Estimated yearly rewards. Expect around 10 to 16% for bonded staking, 28-day bonding period, and 4 to 9% for flexible staking. The longer bonding period for DOT reflects its network's design. Cosmos, Atom symbol. Cosmos is often called the Internet of Blockchains, designed to solve the interoperability issues within the crypto space. Staking Atom contributes to its ecosystem. Estimated yearly rewards. Kraken offers some of the highest rewards for Atom, ranging from 14 to 20% for bonded staking, 21-day bonding period, and 7 to 11% for flexible staking. Tezos, XTZ, Link. Tezos is a self-amending blockchain platform, meaning it can upgrade itself without needing a hard fork. Staking XTZ, or baking as it's known on Tezos, earns you rewards for participating in its governance. Estimated yearly rewards. You can typically earn between 9 to 14% for bonded staking, 4-day bonding period, and 4 to 7% for flexible staking. Kusama, KSM, Peacock. Kusama is Polkadot's Canary network, a chaotic and experimental version of Polkadot that serves as a testing ground for new features. Staking KSM allows you to participate in this innovative ecosystem. Estimated yearly rewards. Kraken offers high rewards for KSM, ranging from 12 to 21% for bonded staking, 7-day bonding period, and 6 to 12% for flexible staking. Flow, Waterwave. Flow is a fast, decentralized, and developer-friendly blockchain designed for the next generation of games, apps, and the digital assets that power them. Estimated yearly rewards. Expect around 12 to 16% for bonded staking, 14-day bonding period, and 6 to 8% for flexible staking. Mina, magnifying glass tilted left. Mina protocol is a succinct blockchain, meaning its blockchain size remains constant regardless of the number of transactions. Staking Mina helps secure this unique network. Estimated yearly rewards. Kraken offers 6 to 14% for flexible staking. The Graph, GRT, bar chart. The Graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum and IPFS. It's essentially Google for blockchains. Staking GRT helps secure its data indexing services. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.